Now we are talking of handling the datasets. So we have in that namespace class. We have in the namespace torch itself data, the class dataset that is allowing us to manage the datasets. So we should usually define it with a class that implement a method get item, so we can access to an item of the dataset easily. And we also have the length method that is returning the size of that dataset. And from a dataset, we can define a data loader that is an object that is used to give us instances, samples in batches. So we have access to a batch of samples from a given dataset, and we need a batch size also to define the size of these batches. And some more arguments are provided for advanced options. And data loader is as such a Python iterator. We also have the sub-package torch vision, which implements several useful functions for computer visions and image processing. So we have torch vision datasets that allow us to download several popular datasets such as MNIST, Cypher, Cypher10, Cypher 100, or SVHN. So image folder and dataset folder will allow to easily load the dataset organized in directories. So we are able to read from a set of directories that is organized to switch all the data. And torch vision that implement transformations on the images. And we can convert to PyTorch tensor with a 2-tensor function. We're able also to normalize the PyTorch tensor, and we have some other functions available on datasets at that link. An example with MNIST, we have this function here where we define batches of 64 samples. We are first in the training set. It's coming from calling MNIST with the right path to the dataset, where we will make some transformation, and then we have the data loader that will build up over the train set to provide us the data in batches of 64 elements.